All right, Ian, thank you. Let's turn now to the impact of these storms in the Fox 9 viewing area.
Our Courtney Godfrey is live in Faribault. And so, Courtney, you crisscrossed southern Minnesota looking for damage tonight. And, you know, we did escape some severe damage, but what did you see?
Yeah, well, it appears Minnesota largely avoided any serious damage from this severe weather event. Like you said, we crisscrossed across southern Minnesota today, and the worst we saw was downed trees and power lines. And as you can see, the rain is starting to come down again here in Faribault. But here in Faribault, it's much of the same. Minor damage from this event. I do, though, want to show you video that we took from Albert Lea earlier today in Mower County, where you can see high winds and heavy rain, storms moving through there around 4:30, resulting in several downed trees and power lines. Police having to block off County Road 91 at one point because of a downed tree and downed power lines in the road. We traveled through Blue Earth County, Steele, Dodge, Rice, and Mower counties today, and it was much of the same everywhere we went. And while several thousand were impacted by power outages across the state today, no injuries reported so far. Like I said, the rain picking up here again, but the skies for the most part are clear, and we haven't heard any booms of thunder or flashes of lightning like we saw earlier. Certainly Minnesota faring much better than Iowa tonight, where they experienced devastating tornado damage. Guys?
All right, Courtney, thank you. Let's check in with our Babs Santos.
He's live in Minneapolis, which saw some significant street flooding tonight. So, Babs, I know that some cars might have gotten stuck in some of that. What did you see?
Yeah, it's just been a tough night for some people around Minneapolis because of this relentless rain, yes, causing some flash flooding in some areas. Over near the Cedar Lake neighborhood on Dean Parkway, someone captured this video of the road just swamped underwater. A driver telling me the water was coming up to her doors. City crews eventually shut down the road, blocking out all traffic. Then firefighters were on scene, about half dozen of them on their hands and knees using tools to dig leaves and debris out of at least 3 clogged sewer drains. As soon as they were finished working, the water left with them some 30 minutes or so later. But before then, this car was one of the unlucky ones today, stalled out in the high water, and many drivers could have found themselves in similar spots. We even saw a section of highway south of the cities covered by a deep pool of that brown, murky water. So today has really just been a reminder of the importance for people to clean out those sewer drains in their neighborhoods. Randy, Kelsey.
All right, Babs, thank you. We continue to